PowerTech Corner. Righto, here it is. I'm just going through a few things in my videos just to help you guys out when you do travel around. Just a few little items that will help you, or if not, maybe you might not have thought of. Here's one that you should think about. It's a PowerTech 12 volt 24 volt starter. It's one of the best ones. Well, I wouldn't say it's one of the best ones on the market, but it's the best one I've looked at the moment for the reasonable price it gives you. Righto, mate, it's for caravans, it's for camping, for light vehicles and heavy vehicles. That's the good thing about it. It starts a truck. But there is smaller ones online, thus this one and this one. Cheaper version, no worries, but you can get a better version. That's the one I got, which is a great little unit. I just love it. Look at it, beautiful. But it does cost. I bought for $280. Certain places you can buy it at $380. You find it a little bit cheaper, but be careful where you buy it from, of course. I always buy beware, especially when you're buying online. Always try to buy something like this in a reputable shop, because you are forking out over $200 for a small item like this. Something happens to it, you can take it straight back. Of course, this is not sponsored by PowerTech at all. This is sponsored by Oz RV. I bought it to try it and tell you guys about it and see if it's alright. Now, so far, it's a great little item. I've had no problems with it at all. It charges everything I need. It starts the truck. It does everything. Bit of advice too also, when you've got one of these like this, keep it on charge now and then. Always charge it every couple of weeks or something. Just put it on a charge just to keep it up there, because people learn to forget about it and they go flat. You don't want it to go flat. It's no good. There is a smaller one, a 12 volt 1000 amp. That's peak, of course. It's a 12 amp hour battery. It's a smaller one, and it comes with a USB plug and lights. It's a smaller version. They're around $140. Or you can go to the next one up. Remember, this is just in PowerTech alone. There is other brands out there like Duracell, Powerco, just to name a few. Look, there's quite a few out in the market. Now, the next size up is a 12 volt 1100 amps peak, of course. Remember about that, 12 volts. It's a 17 amp hour battery. Remember, it comes with a light, a USB plug, but this one actually comes with a small compressor with it, which, look, it might help you when you pull over the side. If you've got a small vehicle, any big RVs, it's not going to be powerful enough to pump it up. That one's going for around $200, but for the money, yeah, seems pretty good. Now, the one we're doing one on today is this one here, which is, like I said, it's the ultra capacity 1000 amps. Of course, that's peak, and that's only on 12 volts. And then you go to the 24 volt jumper side, and that goes up to 500 amps. It's enough to start it, I think. And this one also comes with a USB plug and a light. Doesn't come with a compressor because I don't think you need it. Anyway, this one I chose because, of course, when you're traveling and when you're going around, space is a necessity, and also weight is a necessity to bring it all down, so you can put more stuff in your van. Righto, let's have a look at it. Oh, it's just like opening up frizzies, isn't it? Oh. Comes with packaging, more packaging. It comes with a plug that you can actually plug it in your cigarette lighter and charge it, and it can charge with 12 volt or 24 volt, which is good sometimes because you haven't got a inverter to charge it, because it does come with a plug. Alright, more bags, more shit. Oh, look, it comes with a manual. Wow, I'll have a look at that later. Right, this is a unit here. Great little unit, mate. Now, it's pretty compact. It's a small little unit, as you can tell. The actual size, the width, is 269 millimeters by 241 millimeters by 129 millimeters thick. So that's probably comes back to the front, everything else. But when you do travel with your vehicle, it's also good to put it back in the box. It comes with all the foamy bits and it fits in there just imperfectly, but it's up to you wherever you put it. I just don't like to damage stuff. Right, straight out of the box. Comes with a couple of features. It comes with a light. It also comes with a panel that tells you how much is charged or not. There's the charging port for the 240. You've also the 12 volt you stick in there too. You've got a button up here which if you push, it turns around, as you can tell. It lights up with how much charge you've got left actually in it. You push it once again and you've got a light. Woo! Oh, scary. No, it's not that scary. Anyway, you push it again and it gives you that emergency pull over, watch out, I'm on the side of the road. But the good thing about this one is you push it again. Not many people are going to know this. You push it again. Now, for people out there that are not aware of that, that's Morse code for SOS. So, if you're on the side of the road and somebody actually knows Morse code, hopefully they'll pull over and go, "Hey man, did you put an SOS out? I'm here to help you." But if not, people just think it's pretty lights and it's Christmas time or something, but it'll help you in the long run. Push it again, of course it goes off. Right, it's also got a USB charger, which is a 2.5 amp charge comes through, which means it's a quick charge unit. So if you put your phone to it, it charges pretty quick. You can charge a lot of things with that. Your mobile phone, your camera, your GoPros, your computer, and the list goes on. Anything that's like a USB charger, this will charge. Now, taking it apart, the leads are pretty long. Yeah, so they're around 500 each cable. So it's enough to reach close near your battery anyway. It also comes with a hook. Maybe to catch a big fish. No, you know what it's for? It's actually the hook around here, so you can hook it up under your vehicle near your battery, so it's not going to hurt anything. So it's a good little hook. Comes with everything. And also it comes with a 24 volt or 12 volt button manual override. They reckon it's got an intelligent detection jumper starter system in there, so if you join it up to a 12 volt it knows, and if you join it up to a 24 volt it knows that too. It's also a good little thing to have in Bumshitsville, just in case you get stuck and you've got no one coming by to give you a hand. So just in case, good thing to get for just in case. If it's not Justin, it's Case. Oh, bad joke, poppy joke. Yeah, just get it for just in case. Wow. Okay. So that was a review on the PowerTech 12 volt, 24 volt system. If you like the review, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn your notifications on so you hear more information about little stuff like this to help you out when you go around Australia. Have a good weekend.